Hi everyone, it's Travis again here from Coyote Moon Creative, your Squarespace web designer. And in today's video tutorial, I am going to chat with you about adding border radiuses to the individual image and video items within a Instagram block. Another one of those pesky little details that Squarespace may have overlooked. But if you want to match the aesthetic of the rest of the items around your section or page, you're definitely going to want to add this code. So it's two separate bits of code, and you can scope it either to a specific section like I've done here. Well, I haven't done it yet, but I'm about to show you. Or you can add it site-wide. So if you have pages where maybe you don't have border radiuses around your images, you might want to leave it. But in this instance, I've scoped it just to this section. So as you can see, I've got a border radius of 20 px right here on my form block, and I want the Instagram block to the left of it to match that 20 px. I'm actually going to use a little bit less out of 15 px because they're smaller grid items, and I'll show you why and how that looks here in a second. So I'm shooting this video because I wasn't able to find this code anywhere, and I sort of had to piece it together because the code works for the items within the Instagram block, but it doesn't target the videos. So I had this mismatch of these 7 videos that had the border radius, but then the video, or sorry, these 7 images that had the border radius, but then the video that didn't. So this code is going to work for both, and it's going to work flawlessly across all devices. So if we jump into our CSS editor and we paste this code, we can now see that instantly all of the items within our Instagram block have now a 15 px border radius. And that should look beautiful on, on a phone device as well. So this is what's happening. We've scoped it to the section ID, and I'll share the code in the description of this video as well. If you don't want to scope it to a specific section and you want it site-wide, which is probably more the case, then you simply are going to be removing all of these section code. So basically just moving all of the section data section ID across all of these instances. So this code is targeting the Instagram slide, the border radius of 15 px, overflow hidden, and this code is targeting the video item. So this is the video item, this is the image item. So just go ahead and copy this entire line of CSS code to your CSS editor, and you will be off to the races. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about this video, please leave them in the comments. Otherwise, you can find my work at coyotemooncreative.com. I'm here to support you on your Squarespace journey. Thank you so much.